Hello, here's some computer help for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the author name and the modified by name in a Word document. Step 1. Save your document. Here is my saved example document. Next, go up to the top left and click on File. From there, find the Info button and click that link. That brings up a menu. You'll want to select the button in the section titled Inspect Document. Before you do that, let me show you exactly what you'll be removing or erasing in that screen. In the bottom right corner, you can see Author and Last Modified By. The actions that we're about to take now will remove the names from that section. Now go back to the Check for Issues or Inspect Document area on the left. Click on the button. A menu appears. Click Inspect Document. A pop-up menu appears. In this window, labeled Document Inspector, you'll want to select Document Properties and Personal Information. You can see that box is already selected in my window. Make sure it's selected in yours. With that selected, move your cursor to the bottom of the window and click on the button labeled Inspect. You will now see the results of the inspection at the top of the window. Because I saved the document, the inspection found my author info. I now click on the Remove All button in the top right corner of the window. The window now indicates that the author information was successfully removed. Let's check that. Click the Close button. Now I can see that in the Related People section, there is no person listed as an author or as a modifier. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.